Today, we are going to understand the process of data utility management. A building consumes multiple utilities. It uses electricity, fuels, district cooling, water, and also generates waste. All these utilities together form the base of your sustainability data. Now let's understand how this data actually flows. At the property level, there will be a property manager. They are responsible for day-to-day operations. They collect all utility invoices and upload them to a central location, usually something like SharePoint. The next step is capturing the data. For this, there is usually a separate team. Their job is to capture the consumption, capture the cost without tax, and map the invoice to the correct meter ID. Now sometimes the NMI number itself is the meter ID, which is actually good because it's easy to track. But in some cases, meter IDs are generated by platforms like Measurable, NVZ, and Cambio. Once the data is captured, the next step is initial validation. This is very important, and this should be done before uploading to any platform. Even if you don't have a platform and you're managing everything in Excel, you still need to do this step. In this stage, you will check for duplicates, recaptures, correct meter mapping, proper classification, whether files are uploaded in the right folders, units, and currency checks. After the data is stored, next step is variance analysis. You can set a threshold and perform year-on-year or quarter-on-quarter analysis for the respective month. If you find a significant variance, higher or lower, you raise a query. If the property list is small, you can directly contact the property manager. If it is large or involves different languages, you reach out to the country lead. They help translate and resolve faster. Once the queries are resolved, you include the explanation in your reports. These utility numbers are then used further to calculate emissions based on GHG protocols. But that's a topic for another series.